Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself Aquaman Christmas tree ornament. Check it out, it's pretty cool. For this, guys, you're going to need a variety of string, green, orange, and white. You basically take the green string and keep going over it so you can get the body, then do the arms, then you go around it with the orange. This is foam paper for the A and the belt and the Triton. Look at the head. That's foam paper and a hot glue gun, 2 black eyes on there. The head is really easy to make. As you come up with the green, you just go around it with white string, make the ball, and that's it, guys. That's the do-it-yourself Aquaman Christmas tree ornament. I like Aquaman. Very easy to make. You can make a variety of different characters too. Oh, and don't forget the little string at the top so you can hang it right on the Christmas tree. The do-it-yourself Aquaman Christmas tree ornament. That's really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.